My name is Tawfiq Abi Farraj. I'm heading IT department in BBAC Bank in Lebanon. BBAC is one of the pioneer banks in Lebanon, founded in 1956. BBAC provide a full range of banking solutions for retail and corporate banking. Main objective is to improve or expand BBAC capability in digital and physical presence. The key drivers was to upgrade our fusion equation was regulatory pressure to ensure more reliable system and to comply with all regulation. We need to be comply and keep the regulation with SWIFT and trade finance support to meet the service level expectation and to keep the pace of change of the market while continuing attract new customer and new business. Some of the benefit of upgrading to the Fusion equation latest version, we are ready now to implement a new Fusion teller system that will help us to provide in a more efficient and effective way our services to our customer. Secondly, we are ready to open a new banking digital platform that will help us to innovate more services and be agile for the business vision to attract new customers and to retain our customers. We are upgrading our system with the latest version. The expertise and the comprehensive of Finastra professional services that provide us a leverage to go to upgrade our system without any downtime in a seamless delivery. We appreciate this kind of relationship and we are built on it to create more services and more value to our business and to our customer. Our relationship with Finastra had 35 plus long years ago. After BBAC, 13 banks in Lebanon follow BBAC with the new deals with Finastra and Capiti. BBAC is still ahead and pioneer in the Lebanese market to upgrade the latest version from Finastra on the core banking level, even on trade innovation level.